Hello everyone, welcome to Shop Dev. So in this video we're going to have a look at the null coalescing operator and null coalescing assignment operator. So it's a very quick and simple concept. So let's start with a classic introduction. So the null coalescing operator is denoted by two interrogation marks, okay, and on the other hand you have the null coalescing assignment operator where you have two interrogation marks and an equal sign. So let's start by the null coalescing operator first. So basically what it does, so it returns the value of its left operand if it is not null. Otherwise the right hand operand is evaluated and its result is returned. It is very important to note that the right hand operand is not evaluated if the left hand operand evaluates to non-null, that is, it has a value. And what you write with a null coalescing operator, you can also do it with a null coalescing assignment operator. Okay, but the null coalescing assignment operator was introduced in C#8. So similar to the null coalescing operator, it assigns the value of its operand to its left hand operand only if the left hand operand evaluates to null. That is, the left hand operand doesn't have any value. Okay, and similar to the null coalescing operator, the right hand operand is never evaluated if the left operand is not null. Okay, so simple. So let's go to the syntax and usage. But before, I would like to highlight a few more theory about this operator. So the left operand must be a variable, property, or an indexer element. And more importantly, the left operand must be a reference or nullable value type. And as from C#8, this operator can be used with unconstrained type parameters. So let's see the first scenario, how we make use of the null coalesce operator. So consider this simple list of integers. Okay, so it is assigned to null, not initialized yet, and I'm using the null coalesce operator. Okay, so if saying that if this variable is null, then create a new list with 3 elements and assign it back to the left operand. So its main purpose is to avoid making use of an if-else statement, just to check the value and assign a new object. Okay, so this was done prior to C#8, but as of C#8 you can have the same list initialized to null and don't make use of this equal operator. It is pre-built here, used here. So here, how to interpret this is if the left operand is not null, okay, make use of it. Otherwise, if it is null, then assign left operand list with a new list of 3 elements. Okay, and like I said here, as from C#8, it can be used with unconstrained type parameters. So consider generic class device with T. Okay, so you have the unconstrained type parameters and you can make use of their null coalesce operator. Okay, so let's confirm what we've mentioned in our introduction and further notes with a quick demo. So I have a similar demo like in the PowerPoint presentation. So I'm just creating a null a list and assign to null, and just make sure in this demo that okay, it is null, so the final result will display a list of free elements, that is 5, 6, 7 on the screen. Okay, so let's run it, the program. Okay, so my list is null. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, and now after execution it should be a new list with free elements. Okay, so 5, 6, 7. So this piece of code has been executed since the value is null. So on the screen, what should be displayed is 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so that was it. So now let's check the same behavior, but this time using the Null Coalescing assignment operator. So let's check. Okay, so here I'm not using the previous example, like not doing an initialization, so using the assignment operator instead. So let's save and run the application. Okay, so after that you can see the result. You have 3 elements. Okay, same result being displayed on the screen. Okay, now I want to do a final check. Okay, so just to make sure that the left part is executed, I mean the right hand side is executed. Okay, in case this is null. We already saw that, but just good to note it, and precautions to avoid any exceptions. Okay, so here I have a simple list. Okay, so this is my left operand, and on my right operand I'll be having a new sorted list, but it is null as well. Okay, so if this is null, should be executing this, but in this case it will throw an exception. Okay, just to confirm our note that if the left operand is null, the right hand side will be executed. Okay, so let's run application. Okay, so confirmed, so the right hand side is executed if and only if the left operand is null. Okay, okay, now final note, we just confirm five, 6, and 7. Okay, now try run it. Okay, so there should not be any exception, even though that this list is null. Okay, so here we confirm. Okay, so we did not get the exception despite the sorted list to be null, so it confirms our note that the right hand side is not executed if the left operand has a value. And finally, just to explain to you that okay, you can use it with unconstrained parameters. Okay, so that's it, guys, with the demo. So let's wrap up. So the key points to remember with the null coalescing operator is that the left hand operand must be a reference or nullable value type. Absolutely. The right hand operand is not evaluated if the left hand operand is not null. Okay, we just saw that. And the operators can be used with unconstrained type parameters. Okay, we just saw a generic class and the method. And Final most important point is that the null coalescing operator cannot be overloaded. So that's it guys. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.